Hey y'all, so I am recording a really quick video on my strawberry sauce since I use it so much in my videos. So instead of me leaving a link to a video with a timestamp, I thought I would dedicate one to the strawberry sauce. So really quickly, we have 1 cup of fresh strawberries. You can use frozen if you like. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water. We have 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. And once our sauce is done, we will be adding some vanilla extract. So I'm going to start by adding this to a blender, combining all the ingredients, and then we'll put it on the stove. So we're going to start by adding everything to our Ninja cup, everything with the exception of the vanilla extract. So we're going to add our strawberries. Then we're going to go in with our water, granulated sugar, and cornstarch. All right, so I'm going to blend all this together and we'll be right back. So this is what our sauce is looking like now. We're going to go ahead and place this in a pot, and then we're going to cook it on a medium heat on the stove. This is going to cook on a medium heat for about 10 minutes. The mixture will start to thicken, and when it starts to stick to the spatula, then we'll know that it's pretty much done. At that point, I'll turn the heat off, add our vanilla extract, and then the only thing to do from that point is to wait for it to cool completely before using. You guys can see that this is a little more on the pink side. You can add a drop or 2 of red food color if you want a darker color. Completely up to you. But you can see it's starting to stick to the spatula. It's been about 8 minutes. I'm going to let it continue to cook for another couple minutes. Then we're going to turn the heat off and add our vanilla extract. Still haven't decided if I want to add any red color yet, but we'll see. So now we're going to turn the heat off. It's been 10 minutes. We're going to give this a stir. I have decided to add some red color, so I'm going to add a drop of red to this just to make it a little more rich in color. So there's our drop of red food color. We're also going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we're going to stir everything together. And here we have our strawberry sauce. Super, super easy. I'm going to let this cool a bit, then I'm going to add it to a jar, and then the only thing left to do at that point is wait for it to cool.